What's up, Big Blue Nation? Are y'all ready for this? Let's get it on. Let's get it on, yes. Let's get it on. What's up, Big Blue Nation? I'm back again. So welcome to the Martin Luther King Virtual Wellness Workout Series. How's everybody doing? I hope y'all are doing great. University of Kentucky is closed. There's no gym to work out, but I hope y'all staying safe at home. I hope y'all taking care of y'all bodies. It is crucial because you only have one body. You cannot put no price on your health. So it's important that we take care of our body. So this series is going to focus on strength. We're going to do about 8 different exercises. Again, you don't need no weights, no dumbbells, no barbells, no bench press. You don't need no squat rack. You don't need nothing. Your only weight is going to be your body weight, or it's called calisthenic exercise. So again, you don't need no weights at all to do this. So again, we're going to focus on about 8 different strength exercises. And why is strength so important? It's going to help make your muscles stronger. And having strong muscles is very important because you always, picking up something, pushing, grabbing something. So it's important to be strong. So it makes you got to push up something or pull. It makes it a little bit easier. Not too easy, but make it a little bit easier. Like for example, y'all students, y'all walking across campus, you carrying those heavy biochemistry books, those physics books, those microbiology books. You're carrying about 5, 6, 7 books. Hey, that's gonna take some strength. I remember walking across campus with 6, 7 books in my backpack. So that's one of the many benefits of being strong. It make it very easy for you to carry these books to class, so you have no excuse to skip class. Because now you're gonna be strong, so hey, don't skip class. Go to class when class is back in. Right now, I understand all the classes are online, but hopefully that y'all get to go back in the fall. Yes. So again, we're gonna focus on 8 different exercises. And so let's start up with a warm-up. Again, the purpose of a warm-up is to get your body prepared for the workout. A warm-up is not the workout. It's just getting your body ready, getting your mindset ready for the workout. Again, let's keep the workout simple, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. You don't want to hurt yourself doing the workout. So let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. So let's do some shoulder rotation, about 10 to 20. So we'll do about 10 to 20 of these. Then let's go in reverse. So do about 10 to 20 in reverse. And let's go over your head. Do about 10 to 20 of those. So do about 10 to 20. And then let's do about 10 toe touches. You stretch your lower back and core and hamstring. So I'm gonna do a total of 10 of these. Again, I'm not doing all the reps for the sake of time. So that's the reason why I'm not doing them all. And then we're gonna do like a standing crunch where you touch your arms and legs in the middle, kind of like waist height. So you're gonna do 10 on each side for a total of 20, just like that. It's almost like when I used to be in my fraternity, like a stepping. I'm sorry. Yeah, a little bit carried away. A little bit carried. So now, gotta have fun, right? Gotta have fun. So we are warmed up. So we're ready to begin. The first one we're gonna begin is with the burpees. Yes, the burpees. Again, the purpose of the burpees is a total body workout. It's gonna work your legs. It's gonna work your core. It's gonna work your chest. It's gonna work your back. And it's gonna work your arms. How many? Again, we're gonna do a total of 10 burpees. I'm not doing 10 for the sake of time. So again, I'm gonna demonstrate. Come down, squat, kick the leg out, and jump. Let's do it again. Squat, up. So you'll do a total of 10. So the next one is gonna be push-ups. So the purpose of the push-ups, strengthen your chest and your triceps. So let's demonstrate what a proper push-up looks like. Again, you're gonna come all the way down and up. All right, so you're gonna do 10 push-ups, and the next one, we're gonna do a decline push-up. Now, let me tell you something about decline push-up. Again, just add a little bit of variation to your workout. And also, it's gonna work a little bit more of your lower chest. So here's the story. So my daughter, she's a black belt in Shaolin Do. She didn't like doing push-ups that much. So I challenged her. I said, honey, if you beat me in push-ups, I will buy you a pair of Jordans. So we had a contest going back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth. And guess what? She beat me. She did 100 decline push-ups and literally beat me. So I had to go buy her a pair of Jordans because I'm a man of my word. So I'm gonna demonstrate decline push-ups. So you will need a chair. I'm quite sure you all have a chair at home. Hopefully you do. Nice little chair. We're gonna do decline push-ups. We're gonna do about 10. Get your knees in like this. Just come all the way down until you feel comfortable. If you come all the way down, that's great. If not, that's fine. Yes, my daughter did 100 of these. I did 70, so she beat me. So you want to do a total of 10. So again, I'm gonna do a total of 10 the decline push-ups. The next is gonna be with dips. Again, we're gonna use the chair to do dips. And the purpose of dips is gonna work the triceps. You know, yeah. So I know how some of you guys, y'all go on summer break. Then you want your arms to look good, you know. So you gotta hit those triceps. You gotta get them buff. So again, we'll do about total of 10. Again, how low do you go? You don't want to go down too low because you don't want to hurt your shoulders. So just go down that's comfortable for you. As you get stronger, you get better, you can go all the way down. Just do what's comfortable for you. That's the key. So spread your legs for good balance and come down. Just like that. Try to focus on using your arms instead of using your legs. Just like that. Let me turn it around, get a better angle of this. So like this. So we're gonna do about a total of 10 dips. And the next one, so that was all upper body. Now we're gonna focus on the lower body. So now we're gonna do squats. Purpose of squats, make your legs stronger, your thighs, hamstring, and glutes. Okay, cross your arms. We're gonna do a total of 10. Come all the way down, at least to parallel. Now that high squats that I see in the gym, at least down to parallel. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Push it up. Push it up. So do a total of 10. So that's squat. So next, we're going to do step up. It's another variation type exercise that works your legs. So you focus on each individual one. And you're going to need a chair. So here's my assistant right here. And we're going to do 10 on each side for a total of 10 reps. Again, take your time because it does require a little bit of balance. So just take your time. So you're going to step up like that, come down, like that. So you're going to do 10 on one side and 10 on the other side. So either you can start out with 10 on the left, then do 10 on the right, or you can alternate. This, left, go right. So you can choose any one that you want to do. Next, another exercise called the lunges. Another great exercise to work your legs. Really hits the glutes and the hamstrings. Because when I do them, I'm really sore. And do not let your knee touch the floor. So also focus on control and focus on balance. Again, take your time. There's no rush either. Just take your time. Yeah, you're not trying to impress nobody, anything like that. Just take your time. All right, so we're gonna do 10 on the left and 10 on the right. So just take your time. Just like that. Take your time, there's no rush. Just like that. So those are the lunges. And the last one is the invisible cheer. I remember I was pledging this one fraternity, and this one, I did not like. All right, do the invisible cheer. You know, it's a static hold. You stay in one position, and your legs just burn. For invisible cheer, we're gonna try to hold about 30 seconds. So, spread your legs, you know, about shoulder width. Cross your arms. Come down to parallel and feel the burn. Come down, hold. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Yeah, let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. So, you're gonna hold that about for 30 seconds. Now, let's do a cool down. Cool down, again, I like to do stretching exercises for my cool down. So let's take a seat. Breathe nice and slow. Cool down, you know, gets your heart rate down, helps reduce your breathing rate and everything. Make sure you don't get dizzy after you work out. So let's reach out to one leg and reach out about 20 seconds. Breathe nice and slow. Reach out to the other leg, about 20 seconds. Yeah, that feels good. And you'll reach out in the middle. Hold for 20 seconds. Woo, feel good. All right, here's the other one. Pull this leg up, right leg up. Left arm, elbow right here. Pull and twist. So hold about 20 seconds. Oh yeah, that feels good. Good stretch, core, yeah. Yeah, yeah, feel good. All right, let's go to the other side. Up, contact, elbow to knee, twist here, twist here, yeah. Feel it, feel it. If y'all don't feel it, I feel it. So y'all better be feeling it, or else. Or I'm coming to y'all place and make y'all feel it. Feel it, feel it. All right. Woo! So let's review. So today's workout was focusing on strength. The purpose of strength is to help your muscles get stronger. You know, your biceps, your triceps, you know, your chest, your back, your quadriceps. The reason why that's important because it can cross over in your daily life. Like as students, you know, you carrying stuff, you know, 5, 6, 7 books, and they can help make the books feel lighter. Especially you gotta walk one end to one side of campus and to the other side of campus. So, again, all this is focusing on what is a circuit. So the circuit, you want to do this, you know, 3 to 5 times. Again, it'll give you an amazing workout. You're going to do this 3 to 5 times. At the end of each circuit, rest about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want to rest too long because you want to keep that heart rate elevated. Keep your heart rate elevated, you're going to burn more calories. So don't sit there and rest 10 minutes. Come on now. Really? Really? Rest about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep that heart rate elevated. You're going to burn more calories. It's going to help you lose weight. And it's going to help improve your condition. Keep that ticker up, not down. Keep it up. So again, the 8 exercises was burpees, push-ups, decline push-ups, dips, squat, step-ups, lunges, and invisible cheer. Basically for upper body and for lower body. Yes. So remember, a body in motion, stay in motion. A body at rest, stay at rest. So let's get up, let's get busy, let's stay in motion. All right, Big Blue Nation, University of Kentucky. Thank you, Martin Luther King. See you next series. Yes, yes, yes.